back something very special. We are going to teach how to make a makiwara using no power tools. So this is our future makiwara. It is going to become a makiwara. We are going to dig it inside the ground, and the height will reduce to somewhat over here. So let us start making this makiwara using simple things like scout rope, clothes, and digging instrument, stick or जब पता ही होगा. तो मक्कीवारा बनाने जा रहे हैं. ये मक्कीवारा होता है ना, ये जमीन में गाड़ देंगे, रस्सी से बांध देंगे. So practicing on a makiwara is something very serious. First you have to qualify this. It is said like that you have to qualify. मतलब ऐसा कहते हैं कि अगर आपको मक्कीवारा में प्रैक्टिस करना है, then you have to qualify this one requirement. You have to do 100 knuckle push-ups. 100 knuckle push-ups जानते हो? ये वाले. Yes, 3, 4. मेरे हिसाब से मैं कर लूँगा ऐसे 2 और only 2 more. So like this we have to do 100 and after that only we should move on to practicing a makiwara. Let's go. We are going to start the construction of the makiwara. We are going to wind it with the rope and मट्टी में गाड़ना उसे. mud in the mud we have to fix it.
हाँ हाँ क्यों नहीं, इन्हीं कपड़ों में गाड़ लो, है ना. हाँ हाँ ये लो घर के कपड़े पहन बेटा. हाँ माँ तो धो धो के मर गई कपड़े तुम्हारे.
मम्मी कर रहा हूँ. हाँ जी, तो हम आ गए हैं घर के कपड़ों में क्योंकि रात का खाना भी हमें चाहिए. तो दिस इज द प्लांट वी आर गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट. It should not be very thick because the principle of the makiwara is it should bend like this way. It should take the impact and should come back because it is not like hitting on a wall. Otherwise we can train on the walls, right? It has to be something that is fixed from the ground and it has to be flexible. ऐसे लचकना चाहिए, मारते ऐसे पीछे जाना चाहिए, ऐसे पीछे So to make a makiwara like this we need a plank like this, and all you have to keep in mind is that the height. This is the difference in the height. You see, this is the difference in the height. So you can see that this much part should go inside because this one is not work done in the mud. It is something we fixed using the industrial work and there is concrete over here. But over here for this one there is nothing like that. So we'll have to fix it in the mud and it does not have to be of this height because all we need is to punch in this portion. That is ये छाती पे आने चाहिए. इस पेट पर मारा सीने की खाओगे तो सीने पे खाने के लिए आपको चाहिए. So because I am not at all confident in my measurement, first we will dig it in and then we will find a place which is approximately near the solar plexus and then we can tie up the rope. तो क्योंकि मैं मैथ्स में रैंक के पास हुआ था तो मेजरमेंट हम बाद में करते रहेंगे. पहले उसको अंदर लगा देते हैं, उसके बाद चेस्ट का लेवल में लगा देंगे. एंड दिस प्लेस इज वेरी एक्यूरेट एंड इज बेस्ट फॉर अस क्योंकि बारिश हो गई तो यहाँ से भागने में आसानी रहेगी. And if you are thinking this is the only instrument that can be used, it is not like that. You can even use a normal iron rod or it can also be done using a stick और फावड़ा भी चलेगा. तो ये लगा दो, इसे लगा. इतने में मेरी हवा निकल गई है और इतना ही खुदा है. अभी वो 1.5 फीट अंदर जाएगा. लाइक जरूर कर देना. अभी ये जैसे जैसे नीचे जाता रहेगा मेरी सांस फूलती रहेगी और आप और नीचे जाएगा लाइक कर देना. ज़्यादा नीचे जाएगा यू कैन सब्सक्राइब एंड व्हेन इट इज़ ओवर यू कैन ही प्रेस द बेल आइकन ऑल्सो. हाँ तो अभी ये मिट्टी निकालने के लिए आपको एक कटोरा अरेंज करना पड़ेगा. मेरे पास ये हमेशा रहता है, आप अरेंज कर लेना. तो ये कटोरा हम निकालेंगे ऐसा करके. दुनिया में रहना तो काम कर प्यारे, हाथ जोड़ सबको सलाम कर प्यारे, वरना ये दुनिया जिन्हें नहीं देगी खाने नहीं देगी पीने नहीं. As soon as your pit is ready, we are going to put the फट्टा inside. माने फट्टा डाल दीजिए वरना क्या होगा रात में खुद ही टहलते टहलते आओगे इसी में गिर जाओगे. फिर न्यूज़ बनेगी गड्ढे में तो बच्चा निकाला गड्ढे से. And for this little birdie over here to stay stable, we need some stones or rocks like this. If it is very big, you can use it according to your convenience. You can cut them and we will place it inside. So ये सारे पत्थर हम इसके अंदर डाल देंगे. वैसे हम पहले तो उसको centralize. We have to centralize it first, and after that we are going to place stones from all directions. It is better if you throw them like this so that it stays inside. You'll have to do this from all sides. In the base, we are going to smash all these inside. These are easier to smash. These are mud rocks, but this one will be very difficult. So we are going to cover it with mud. This mud we are going to cover it like this, and after that we are going to see. After that we are going. और ये मिट्टी के ऊपर फावड़ा, तसला, रॉक, स्पेड, एनीथिंग यू कैन यूज टू level this up so that it stays stable inside. ये जमा देना है एक बार, ये ऐसे चारों तरफ में करेंगे और उसके बाद ऊपर बांधेंगे. Now this turned out to be a slightly lighter makiwara. It can be used by beginners. Actually, there is no such thing as beginners for makiwara. Only when you reach certain level, you are allowed to practice on this. But still, for a beginner level, so that you can just get started, because this is not very temper. You see, it is still very loose because of the width. If it was thicker, it would have been having more temper. So you'll have to attack with a lot of force so that it bends. And we are going to wind up the makiwara over here on approximately this area, that is the solar plexus. That is where most of the punches land. So over there we are going to wind up with the scout rope. This is a scout rope, if you can see. Can you see? Scout rope. These are the ropes used by scouts for practicing the knots and everything. For the first one, we are going to leave approximately this much space, because from here we are going to wind up like this, and finally it will be a lot of layers will be like this, and so that this one will be remaining in the end, and from there we will tie it. If you don't understand, just wait, we are going to do it same thing, right? Actually this can be done like this also, but for the sake of showing off, I am doing it like this. And understand? 1, goodbye, 2, 3, and now we are over with, yes, almost over with binding this up. And if you can see over here, this was the one we left from the starting. This was the one we left from the starting over here, and this is the one we came up winding. And from here, we are going to just tie it using any simple knot like this. And if you want, it does not have to be very tight. Can just be over here, because we are going to add another one, right? Another one we are going to. So as you can see, the second layer is also ready. दूसरी layer भी हमने लगा दी है. It doesn't have to be very attractive because it is a training equipment, right? Right? So it is ready. It is not very thick. It is very thin. So it may be easy for people who are already practicing. It is actually according to your weight, the amount of power you can put, that much strong should be your makiwara. So this is something like a beginner level 1. So from here we are going to practice. It is fixed from there, and also we have the double layer. It doesn't have to be very attractive because it is a training equipment, right? So training करनी है, इतनी करनी है कि खून पसीने से ketchup से लिख दो क्रांति. चलो, anyway, so this is our makiwara. It is ready, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and press that bell icon.